But my
There's
stream's up.
always a but.
Let me open that.
The fuck? Discord Quest available? Play any game on a connected console for 10 minutes to unlock Warp Helmet avatar decoration.
That's great.
Connect your console? I don't have a fucking console. That's such bullshit. What the hell?
That's tough.
Dragon Slayer is streaming software game development. Watch now with 2 viewers.
Cute.
Damn, look at that. Hear me out.
What up?
What the fuck is this?
It's a testing level.
The hell?
There's a certain type of enemy that bugs. I think it's one of these guys. And it's just like it swings a lot sometimes. Hear you out about what though? What would you want me to hear you out about?
What if you added a border to the logo and made the whole outline outside of it black when it loads up?
Border to the logo.
So you make like a whatever colored border to the logo, and
Yeah.
then instead of it being blue or whatever gradient, you make it just black.
Hmm.
Like, you know what I mean?
Yes. Could look sick.
Sometimes.
Is it bugged? I don't know. I feel like it was. Look, sometimes these guys swing more than twice. Is it only when you can take damage though, maybe?
Maybe if you didn't have the stun that made it hard to tell exactly what you're trying to test right now.
Pretty true, alright.
If you chose something that didn't stun them, that'd be huge. Just take the boomerang or some shit, dude.
Yeah, but
Something
it's
that
gonna,
doesn't like.
It's gonna hit them.
What do you, it's everything's gonna hit them.
With that attitude, yeah.
Just increase your level. What do you mean doing?
Oh, he's right.
Then you won't kill them.
Yeah, there it is. You see that?
Oh shit.
Okay. Is it just when they move back and forth a lot? It could be that.
Is this a bug that you found?
Yeah, I saw it during the demo.
Hmm.
Um,
Could have fooled me. Could have. It would have been. I thought that would have been like a thing that was supposed to happen.
is this? Is hit player what spawns an attack? When is this ever set? That's true. It's true when you reset it. That's not even it. It's always true.
Damn.
Feels like it should be false at some point. But it's defined here, so this is the only time it would change, but is this always true?
I don't know. You coded it.
Attacking was false. Yeah, no, I mean, you're right. I coded it, sure.
What do you mean, sure?
It's called, um... So... Wait, no. Maybe not. Wait, let me flip this again. So if you can spawn an attack, or if you have already spawned one. God damn it. Hold up. Is this variable actually used anywhere? I know I coded it. Stop saying I coded it.
Can you imagine commenting your own code?
Hit player. Oh, it's just hit. It's just hit player that uses it. Yeah, this calls hit player. Okay. If you shouldn't spawn in. Okay, you know what? Let me just rename it so it's not just spawn attack. Shit is annoying. Yeah, I coded it. It was a long time ago. This is one of the first classes.
That's crazy.
So if you can't spawn an attack, return. Sure. Otherwise, we should say. Because if you could spawn an attack, you'll be here. It should be true. So set it to false so another one shouldn't happen. And then probably this thing should say when it's done that it could do another one.
Of course.
Maybe that's it. There are children that use it that are now bugged.
I don't even understand what you're trying to do here.
I just need to not. Come on, let's see. I just needed to not like it looks like when like anytime the player collides with that thing, it can try to do it. They can try to attack, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And I need to not always can spawn attack just to shit. Okay, hold up. It's just to disable this. Okay, let me rename it once again. It's not the variable I'm looking for.
Loves renaming.
Okay, wait. True there, true here. Can't use it for this. Or here. Guess I could just use attacking. It becomes true there, it's false here. No, but that's not different. Okay, I'll just make another variable.
Big variable maker right here.
Okay. And when it's done attacking, it should become false. And that should be it. That's the only time spawn attack is called, right? Yeah. Oh, so I saw somebody beat the final boss hitless. Kind of wild.
It's crazy.
Hitless and then stunning him like every second hit. Kind of wild.
Dude's cheating. by looking at the final boss before he fights it.
I know what he looks like. I've heard his name.
Dude's cheating by seeing attack patterns before he has to deal with it himself.
I'm gonna be real, dude. The dude did not attack. He attacked like one time. It's still bugged,
It's
huh?
crazy. Damn. It's even worse even.
No, it's the same. It's just when they turn around a lot, their hitbox like detects you and then stops detecting you, so it looks like it should attack. Okay, hold up. What if we do this? Shouldn't be worse. It should be the same amount of bad, you know?
Is it? Is it the same amount of bad?
Hopefully. We'll find out. Seems to have fixed it, right?
Looks like it.
Huge. Also, not even all of our enemies have collisions, which is some shit I noticed yesterday.
I literally said that already.
We should be consistent and then see if it's actually bad, which it probably will be, I feel like, if anything can block you.
I'm telling you, you just make it so that they hit you and you bounce back, then you get like an invincibility frame, like a couple invincibility frames.
Should we just fix the splash screen real quick?
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll be
guess.
quick, though.
What do you mean you don't know if it'll be quick?
I don't know, dude. Open. Splash. Okay.
Just add a border, bro.
Add a border to this section?
I mean, I don't even know if you need the. I mean, you probably need the words, but like they're very generic.
I mean, true, but like, what do you mean? I could, yeah, confirm it. Oh, shit. We could do a different font if you know the names of them, I guess, because this shit sucks.
You have to manually type in the font.
Yeah, pick a font name. Arial, perhaps. Oh, no, wait, kind of autofills. Oh,
Comic Sans.
shit's gonna look like we're gonna get mocked.
Comic Sans, baby.
What's Arial look like? Give me.
This guy just asked what an areola looks like. That's
Nah.
crazy.
I don't know. What font are we supposed to have for this?
I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a custom font. That's the whole point.
God damn it. That could be the move.
Windingo, yeah, that's the one.
Is this supposed to be custom? Then we gotta find a new font. You know what? We could do that later. Whatever. I'll just make it the correct size and then make it look different, like italic.
Dude, bring it under the right crow and make it smaller. And make it a square. Make it so that everything fits in a square.
Under the right, so like right here, super small.
Yeah.
I hate text so much.
Oh boy.
Here we go. That the move? Freaking text, dude. Just let me just move the text. Oh my god.
This is ass. What are you using?
It's freaking GIMP. I don't have Photoshop.
Krita is so much better too.
I guess,
And
but
also, even the online shit is better than this, dude.
oh man. But is this not what you mean?
I mean, it is. Just like better.
Interesting. And add a border to it? How do you add a border?
How do you add a border? You make a square.
Yeah, but like, how do I make it exactly the right size?
Do you want me to just do it?
Nah.
Because, like, I can.
mm, and the
Dude,
background should just
do
be
not
black.
use a pencil.
Bro, with there's no square tool. I
What
don't
do you
think
mean there's
so.
no square to insert a square? What are you
How
talking
do you mean
about?
insert a
How is there no
square?
square?
This
This
shit
is the
is.
worst
I
software I've
know
ever seen in
it's
my life. What are
bad.
you using?
It's GIMP. It's for image editing. I'm editing an image, kind of. Not really.
No, you're not. You're literally not.
You know what? You want to put this shit in my actual thing? Actually, no. What's an online one? Give me an example.
Literally, if you looked up Photoshop online, that shit comes up instantly.
Yeah, but it's not like. Is it actually Photoshop? Like, do I need
Photopia.
Photopia? Online photo editor. Actually, no. You just do it. I'm gonna go back to actually
Holy
doing
shit.
development.
Hey,
Discard
send
these.
send me the fucking send me the file or something. I
You
don't
just
know.
need the one that Denise has, right? It's in the check the group chat. It's pinned.
Okay, bet.
All right. Still mark it as adding the splash. What's this? Why is there shit? Yeah, whatever.
Why is my shit shared? Is that what you just asked?
No, no. I said, why is there shit changing?
Oh, I was like, bro, what do you mean? You don't want to see it? I'll just go fuck myself, I guess.
Let me check your stream though. That's the melee bug.
Dude, I don't know why the image for this is some weeb shit, but it works.
For Krita?
Yeah.
Isn't that like the number one use of Krita? Is to draw anime shit?
To draw weeb shit,
I
probably.
think so, yeah. Good chance, even.
How big does the whole canvas need to be?
Let's make it some multiple of like 1600 by 900, you know? Just keep that ratio.
I think they have a thing where I can just... Nope, I can't. It's fine.
Lava boss, shoe bill boss. Boss is pushing you. Okay, let's call this boss fixes. Did I not change the version? I did. Guess not. Lava boss projectiles. When does he shoot those? First breakpoint. Let's make that true. Yeah, so those projectiles should not get stuck on players. Enemy bullet. Do enemy bullets always get stuck? Maybe.
Stuck on what?
Like our enemy bullets, well, because they always despawn, I guess. None of them go through you, right?
No. Well, usually no.
Is that this, right? Only part of it collides with you. What the hell's up with that? Which one? Oh wait, just turn this shit on.
Is Raven Swarm one word?
2.
Should
Two,
it
bro.
be one word?
No, I think it's. I think we went with 2. I think the whole thing is Raven Swarm Studio. It's 3 words, right?
Yeah, I know.
I don't think it should be 1 word.
Why does it look like that? What the fuck is going on?
Image editing, kind of annoying. Shit, I didn't even restart the game, huh? We also gotta do so much design work. Not this week, but
For
like
what?
soon. Character
For
select
what?
is shit.
Oh,
It is literally that circle in the middle, huh? Don't like that. Maybe I could just say wait. Why is it? Why does making it giant not affect the wave at all? What? It's just because it's part of the parent. So if I undo that and then just disable this and hide it, that should do what I want.
nah, probably not.
Damn. Also, didn't you want to design the characters like differently anyways?
Yeah. No.
Was that not
What?
you?
I didn't say the character select should be different. It should just change how the hover works.
Well, I mean that, but like we also need to make it support multiple players because people want that, right? The current one will not do that. And even if it
Well,
will, it'll be super hard to use.
I guess.
Alright, that fixes that guy's problem. Is there any other enemies that use projectiles that should go through you?
Shouldn't like all projectiles go through you, especially for if there's multiplayer?
Mm,
Like otherwise you can just have a dude just blocking everything.
I mean, yeah, but then that dude will die. Like, there's downsides.
I guess.
I think it's fine. I need to undo this guy's script. Change. I don't think they should all go through you. Like even in bullet hells, right? They usually don't go through you. I think they stop when they hit you, right? Well, have you played a lot of bullet hells or know of them?
Kind of. Not really.
Damn. One of the feedbacks was just that Shuba boss fires slow in phase 1. I guess it's slow. Could double it. Just time to shoot. No. per shot, time per shot. Is that too fast or fine? What do you think?
It's probably fine, maybe.
It's still dodgeable. But I'll have to see if phase 2 is going to be shit or not. Yeah, it's still dodgeable. It's fine. Should maybe get some weapons, perhaps. Oh shit, yeah, phase 2 like might be way too fast then. Or is it?
It's very bullet hell-esque. But does he stop?
He does stop, but maybe not for long enough on phase 2. Like he's supposed to fire for like 10 seconds and then stop for
10 seconds might be too long.
On phase 2.
If you do that like that.
Okay.
I mean,
on phase 2. Okay, he shoots for twice as long, which he shouldn't, I guess, right? And then he reloads in half the time. What if we just keep that static? And just change the time. Yeah, just make him fire faster. Can also make him fire for just less time, I guess.
true.
Yeah, because right now you have to dodge like 8 waves of bullets before you can like get in there. Let's just drop it a little bit. Dodging 5 waves and then getting to attack. It's not bad, I guess. Should I lower it more?
For what?
Like the amount of time he fires?
I mean, I feel like you should just do like 3 circles around or 4.
I think he does 5 right now. Okay, let's drop it a bit more. You can also rotate faster.
The fuck is going on?
Yeah, it's about 4. Is this better or worse? I feel like it's more bullet hell like.
I don't know what you did.
Give it a second. Like this. Still firing for, I mean, not long, I guess. And you only technically need to dodge like 4 bullets, I think. Okay, a few. But it looks cool, right?
Should be fine. Maybe. Yeah, I think it's funny. Alright. Let's
Save that. Take out this. Just decrease the time to shoot or time per shot. I made it spin faster.
Alright, interpret. Look.
What up? Pretty sick. Pretty nice even.
I don't know if that color is good or not, or if it's centered properly. It's the only thing.
It looks center enough. Does this thing not have like a centering tool?
I think it
Or like an
does.
alignment or something?
Wait, I just need to like. The answer is yes. I just don't. I don't know how to use it.
Guess I could modify this directly. Is there an error tool like Sentry for games? I don't think so. I think you have to like manually build it if you want, which is really shitty. There are crash
For
logs
what?
though. One of
Oh,
my
that.
friends asking about, because at work we use this thing called Sentry, where like anytime there's an error, we just like we receive an email at the very least, and then also like where it happened. You know, but
Oh, I see.
I don't think that exists for games. Yeah, we do ignore a lot of the emails, but don't worry about it.
That's crazy.
Bro, this shit is so annoying. The app is breaking all the time. I'm not trying to.
Sounds awful, even.
Yeah, it's not great. Some people would say it's pretty bad, even. No button. Okay, I just fully disabled it. Didn't mean to like do that, I guess. Isn't it just a? Oh, do I just use that? Oh, I do that. Okay. So then, if it is not a debug thing, don't show that. I think I should probably unmute those alerts. It's always just like stupid shit like the API threw an error, but I should probably unmute those. For myself at least.
Nah.
Now what do you mean nah? It's gonna be
I'll do
annoying
it.
if I don't.
The trap.
It could possibly lead to bugs existing if I do not. Well, the bugs exist whether or not I do it, I guess, but I should unenable it. I should enable it so that I can at least see that there's bugs.
Nah.
Did you say nah?
Nah.
Man. 319. Yes, no. Oh, there might be a better way to do what I just did. Yeah, let me try the better way. Take that code out. And then go back to the first thing, I guess. Not audio manager, not that. Maybe utilities. Yeah, that's a good place to put it. Maybe. Editor interface dot set plugin enabled. How does it know what the string should be? Oh, directory name. Huge.
I sent it in Discord, by the way.
Okay, I will check it. Don't need debug menu. Pretty sure. Yeah, that's the one I don't need. should just disable them. Sent it in Discord.
How the hell did we sign Desjardins?
Was that what?
The Canucks
Oh.
from the fucking Oilers.
Non-existent function? It's right there, dog. What do you mean? Oh, I see. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, no, that's what I need. Did you use pure black for the background? You did, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Huge.
Damn, game loads so slow on your computer. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Why did it break instantly? What the hell?
It's because of some shit I'm trying to do, but like, why is this not allowed?
Also, they should add like a fade in, fade out type of thing.
For the title?
Yeah.
You're pretty right, but like, it's gonna be annoying to add.
How? Can't you just animate it?
No, because that shit's not even done by me. It's just done through Godot, like this boot splash. I would have to enable or disable this, right? Then just animate it, yeah. Like turn it into a scene instead of just using Godot's built-in stuff.
Just use Godot's built-in stuff.
No, I'm
and
saying
then-
I can't use Godot's built-in stuff to do that because it's done through a setting in the options, you know? Like here. And it only takes an image. It doesn't take like a scene that animates, you know? We can do it. It won't take long. I'm just saying how to change it. Why can I not get editor interface, brother? That's what I'm trying to do. Non-existent function. Let me copy this. Can. Hmm. Oh, you can just wait. What? You cannot. Oh, wait. It's because this. How do I get an editor interface? Hmm. Okay, the shit I'm doing cannot be done anyways. Huge. It's only if you write a plugin that you can do that. I'm
I
not
don't even
doing.
know what you're trying to do.
I'm just trying to disable this one thing. This is
This
enough to
one
do it.
thing.
Like, you know how I left the FPS info in?
At what?
You know how I left the FPS like info in if you press a certain key?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I want to just take that out. And then we can fix the splash screen. Is this should still just allow it. I misclicked.
Big misclicker right here.
Yeah, like that's fine. But if I go build the version of the game, that shouldn't exist in it anymore. And then run that. Somewhere. Here it is. Shit does launch so slow, dog. But just on my computer. Just
Yeah, your
crazy.
computer is kind of slow.
You got me. I guess.
Can't confirm.
Can't what?
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 I said can confirm.
Oh, rude.
Oh, dude, can you imagine if you could see?
If I could see, that's the whole thing.
Yeah.
What the hell? That's crazy. That's messed up even. Disabled plugin. Let's go actually make a splash screen. It's a new 2D, I guess. No, it's a control. Let's call it a splash screen. Go over here, add a texture rect. Set this shit to full. Set this thing to full. Yeah. And then the actual texture is the splash. Which is a little bit too big, but can you just fit the width? Yeah, okay. And also a color rect. You want to fade in the logo, I guess, right? So it should be black too. And animation player.
You want it to fade in slower than it fades out.
Okay.
Like
Let's rename this
a
shit to
bit
fade.
of the time even.
Okay. To start, this shit should have modulate of 0. Set that to the start. It should fade in a fifth of the time. No,
Oh,
fade
it
out should be a
well,
fifth.
yeah. It should be yeah.
Okay, so then here it should be 1. And then here it should be 0 again. Okay. Should it stick around for some time? Yeah, probably, right?
You could just make it 2 seconds instead of 1.
Is it better just, I guess it's easier to just do it here. Put that there.
It's crazy. This guy told me never to do that, and he's doing the thing. That's crazy.
Sometimes
I mean,
it's
yeah,
easier.
I guess it could stick around for like a little bit.
It should be white. So let's say it takes a second to go in, so then it should take 0.2 seconds to go out.
Yeah, something like that.
See what that looks like. Not bad. Maybe you should slowly less.
Slowly less.
Like
What?
fade out slower, maybe.
I
Yeah.
think that's good.
Right.
Is it good? Is it too slow or too fast? I mean,
Is it like we make the whole thing last, well, like 4 seconds if you want? Right now
3 seconds
it's 2.
maybe. Try 3 seconds. This
Um,
is why this is why you do the thing that you told me not to do, or you don't do the thing you told me not to do. So you could have just done it here.
you're right. He's pretty right. All right, let's put that shit back at 1. um, have that. This was like here. Put this back
No,
at
yeah,
Put this back at
yeah.
1x. Okay, and we need to double that. No, wait, half that so that we get the 2-second playtime.
Yeah.
And a little bit slower than this. Like it should take longer than 2 seconds, I guess, right?
Yeah, try 0.33.
Three seconds long, yeah, not bad.
Yeah, I think that's good, probably.
We could also mess with the scale if you want.
What do you mean?
We could because this thing has a transform for scale, right? It's just layout.
Oh, like make it bigger slightly?
Yeah. Like what if
Yeah, sure.
we're at this point? What's cranking the scale do? Oh, it kind of screws it up. Hold up.
What?
There's a way to,
Oh.
because if I do,
Can you anchor it centered?
yeah, he's got it. Probably it's probably just that. Yeah. Ooh. Okay.
It doesn't need to get that fucking big.
I
I
know.
was
And
thinking
I'm just
like
looking. I'm looking.
tiny amount maybe.
When it's fully shown, or should it scale up to like maybe it just?
It should scale from like 0.75 to 1.25 is what I would say.
Okay, so here it should be 0.75. Put a comma in,
Crazy.
and it broke the scaling.
Does the S look weird in Swarm? Does it? I don't know.
It's fine. It's the font. What did you say?
I mean, I don't know.
0.75 to what?
Maybe it is. 1.25.
And then should it get smaller as it goes, or no? As it fades out?
No. No.
Okay, keyframe that as well then.
Oh, that's way too much. Infinitely too much.
What?
All right.
Like too big?
No, it just changes too much. 0.9 to 1.1.
1.1 you said?
1.1, yeah. Why is that there? Why do you have another keyframe?
Which one? The end one?
Yeah.
Probably don't need it, but I could delete it probably. It says min-maxing the keyframes, dog.
I just don't know why you have it. I'm just curious.
You're right. I don't need it. All right.
It should be full by the time it is like it should be full at the same time that it fades in completely.
Like that. So yeah, it's full size at the same time that it's fully faded in, right?
Yeah.
Anything
Is
else
that
we
too
wanna do with
fast?
it?
Oh no, it's not too fast because this is like in 1 second, but it's 3,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I mean,
That should
this
be
is
good
the
then.
real play rate of it. Like, this is 3 seconds. Should I make it slower still?
Oh, that's true.
It
Why
goes
does it look weird?
0.25.
It looks weird with the. No, I don't know. It looks weird. It looks weird with the scaling. We're missing something. It's too choppy.
Is it? We can change the.
Make it. Hold on. Move the keyframe for the scaling, uh, all all the way to when it starts fading instead of when it gets full.
Like here.
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to mess with any other properties?
I don't think so.
Perhaps rotate it for no reason.
No, please don't.
That could go crazy. Imagine if it looked like
No,
this.
please.
Imagine if it
No,
did
don't
some of
do it.
that.
This is the worst thing I've ever seen.
Oh, that's pretty
On the
fair.
splash screen animation, what if we had it go from one corner to the other? Left corner, then right, then have a panning transition?
Have it go to the left.
Oh.
Then right. Make it look like it is zooming. What does
Just
he mean?
get on call.
Yeah, it does has to get in here. What the hell does this mean? We're out here. We're animating, brother. We're currently animating.
Bro, what is this guy talking about?
My guy is spitting in a way. Oh my god.
What do you mean can't? Just don't talk. Just look.
And mute us. Oh, well, no, don't mute us. Maybe mute us. I don't know. Maybe he's taking a dump right now.
Not. I am typing. I know. Oh my fucking
Bro, his
God.
his like his typing skills are not helpful here, dog. Left corner, then first of all, there's two left corners, and then there's two right corners.
In my eyes, in my eyes, in my head, I'm like, from the top left to the bottom right is what I'm thinking, and it's just like, wee.
Yeah, have you ever seen these? As in I've done this before. It's called like a path 2D. Yeah, yeah. And then you throw in like a quick path follow,
Please don't.
right? And then you set it. Give me a second. Hold up. Instead of setting all this shit up, I'll
I
just
know
show you.
what you're doing.
What is it, like the end screen? What did I call it?
What are we,
Game
like the beginning
over.
of Star Wars? Like, what are you doing?
Game over animation. So imagine if this shit happened on our title screen. Imagine if we ran one of these, brother. Yeah? if we added some weird pathing, that'd go hard, right?
There's a 0% chance.
Big hater energy. Should probably save this so like we don't lose it, huh?
Yeah, before you start fucking it up instantly. Yeah, maybe.
Slash underscore screen. This guy, huge hater, man. It's crazy. A new breed of hater.
Well, now you have to play it because I said on your Twitch and he hasn't replied, so maybe he's looking at it.
I don't know. Maybe. Oh yeah. You know you're right. Very very true. Let me go play that shit real quick. Gary, if you're watching, here's what it looks like. Pretty basic. Nice little scaling. You know, zooming in. Not zoom. Well, it's kind of zooming. Yeah. What's deterministic?
He wanted the zoom. Why does it start like out of fucking nowhere though? That's my question.
What do you mean? The scale or the coming
Does
in?
it start at 0 transparency?
Yeah. Does it not?
It feels like it doesn't. Okay, yeah, try that.
You can put a little bit of time before
Yeah, that's better.
and like a little bit after even. Maybe that's too much though.
I don't think you need it after though. I think it's good with it before.
Just this. Well, should it start scaling then? Before?
No.
Just when you see
Well,
it?
yeah, just leave it. It's fine. It's smooth already.
My computer makes it look not smooth, but it's probably smooth. Trust me.
Crazy.
What if I go cubic on the scale? What does that do?
Cubic. What is this guy doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna mess with it. Put that to linear. What if this modulate? Plus cubic, what does that do? Eh, I don't know. Also, I think he might have responded. Oh, no, it's my friend. Thanks, though. Gary's ass is MIA, dude.
Go splash screen. What if we have it go to the left corner, then go to the left corner and then the right corner, and then have that panning transition? What does that mean?
What is a panning transition? What does pan mean? Doesn't pan mean like 10 things in like movie making?
Panning is usually like you're like panning away from something or towards something.
Or but there's many ways
Is he
to
saying like he
do
makes
that.
it? You make it so that like it looks like you're turning away from the logo, but then why is it zooming? I don't understand.
Go to the
Please
left
explain.
corner, then the right. But what? There's two left corners, dog. I can't get over that.
But I've never seen a logo come out of the corner.
We are not adding Comic Sans, by the way. We already tried it. It looked bad.
What sounds?
Comic Sans.
Oh, Comic Sans. Nice.
This might be it. This is the text we use.
It'll look so much better when it's not with grid lines everywhere.
I could probably turn that shit off.
No, I mean like when you just hit play on the fucking actual project when you import this shit.
You can run a specific scene. Give it a second. Damn, my computer's ass. And it skipped half the animation. Holy shit.
What the fuck just happened?
That's so bad. You know what? The other thing is I probably didn't make this shit. Stop that. Make this start right away. Actually, no, I'll just make it start with code.
What do you mean?
Because we need to wait for it to end anyways. So why not just do it here?
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
And then we need to show the main menu. Let's just go to scene and then preload the main menu. And then over in project, we need to make it so that it runs the splash screen by default. I put this in the wrong folder, huh? As in, since it's a screen, I guess it should go in splash screens, or in screens. Move this to...
I'm gonna put some eye drops in again, BRB.
Right.
Like BRB, like I can't see the screen.
Yeah. Again, here but not here.
Yeah, exactly. You got it.
So is this called Ascension? Just called Ascension. Okay. Rename this.
You know what? I'm gonna see if Jaden's available for an unbiased opinion on the logo. You know,
Is it not biased? How are you gonna unbiased it if it's Jaden?
unbiased as in like not on the project, so he could be like, "This looks like shit," and not care. You know,
That's pretty
or
true.
care because it looks like shit, and he doesn't want us to have a shit-looking thing. You know.
I mean, okay, true, sure. Man, my computer is kind of ass. I should upgrade. Maybe. At some point, even.
You should do it real quick.
It will not happen quick. Guess we could also wait some amount of time first. Just wait a bit. Here and here. And then also the thing that adds the this. That can happen as part of the main menu, I guess. Maybe. No, it should just be done here. It's not the right place to do it, but it should be here. That does it defer, so why doesn't this work? Hmm. Can you not go global.addchild? Why is that not allowed? Hmm. Hmm. How does it just not call a function? The hell? Oh, it just wasn't doing shit. It's tough. Open that, disable all of this. Don't show that image. That's fine. Thanks for the follow. Hold on, I was not paying attention. Hello. Yeah, okay, it's working. Okay. I don't need these then. Yeah. I'm good, how are you? I'm just working on this game, you know? Which I haven't showed any gameplay of probably while you're here, but I will after this, I guess. Yeah, that works fine, I think. It's like a tower defense type. Well, not no, hold up. What is it? Like a survival, vampire survivals type game. And I'm still like doing a lot of debug stuff. Eating at a. I guess you're actually in Vietnam, right? Damn, it's kind of late. On the other side of the world. Wait, where is it 11:57 then? Oh. Slovakia. Brian, are you still here?
Yeah.
Nice. Should we add music to the splash screen? Probably not, right?
Yeah. What?
Music to the splash screen?
I mean, I was thinking I could add like sounds. I had some ideas, but like for now, I was just gonna leave it.
I'm from Canada. Sounds are hurting your ears. That's fair. We gotta change a lot of them. But I can turn them down. Is it normal for games to have music on the splash screen? I don't know. I feel like it's not, right?
Music not like not usually music. It's usually thematic for whatever the studio is. So,
Hmm.
for example, if you look at grinding gear games, they have like literal gears and stuff for their splash animation.
Yeah. All right.
I was thinking one of the things we could do is if we wanted to, once the screen, like the splash screen loaded, one of the crows like turns its head and then like one of its eyes glint red and then like something happens. I don't know.
Like a bird sound. And we can
Yeah.
have an actual like animated intro, like splash, but that's like a while away, I guess, right?
Yeah, that's why I was like, that could just be a future thing. We just wanted
Mhm.
something out right now.
Yeah. I think what we have for now is probably fine then. Something quick. Do we also have the invisibility shield? That's probably just separate, I guess. Did we put it on our list about the upgrades? There's no cheats on right now. There's just like the cheat menu available. I'm just not bad at this game, I guess.
What up?
Hmm?
What upgrades?
No, the cheats. Bro, look at my character is just a normal guy. I'm just a guy.
You said, did we put it on our list?
About the upgrades being like more impactful. Or did we ignore or did we plan that? I don't remember.
Pretty sure it's there.
Okay. Because I mean, it would be nice to upgrade less. We could also just make it time based. Like every minute you survive, you get a level.
That's ass.
Is that us?
Super ass.
Are the healers nerfed? Not yet, I don't think. Is that one of the things I'm supposed to work on today? No, the healers are still just buffed. Look, you just gotta like target them. Look at him. He's so easy to kill if you just stun him and then hit him. Shouldn't have said all this shit. I'm not gonna kill the healer. Just gotta get more damage on the healer. It's so easy. There, see, look at that. He's beautiful.
Who's asking you about the healer nerf?
One of my friends, Pop.
Oh.
When you have 5 healers healing each other. Yeah, that's true. We ran into that. It's on the list. We have planned changes. I guess we could also make them spawn less. Have a lower chance of spawning. Might just die anyways after saying it was easy.
Ass.
I'm just a developer, dog. I shouldn't be great at the game.
You're the type of guy to be a Rocket League dev and be shit at it.
Isn't that to most of the devs? Like, why would the devs be insanely good at their game?
I don't know, because they have to test shit for hours on end.
Yeah, doesn't mean they're good on, you know, for hours on end.
Yeah, I guess you did just admit to being shit, so.
That's what I'm saying.
You doth be ass, even.
Flashing health bar is nice. That's been there, but we had like, and I won't show you those changes. I died. I'm ass. One
You
of our
won't
other.
show me. That's crazy.
No. One of our other branch. What should I show that shit? The one that you have, your branch.
Okay, like, why not?
All right, fine. It's supposed to be like hidden stuff. I guess.
Why?
It
Says
doesn't
who?
have to be hidden.
Did Richard say it's supposed to be hidden stuff?
Just like not publicly playable. You know, it's the same thing.
It's still not playable.
That's true. All right, fine. Let me go to your branch real quick. Is that all we need to do on this one though? Okay, let me merge this into main real quick and then get your branch going.
Huge. Can't wait.
Delete this. Main is fine. Beans branch, that's the one. Update that. Always ignore this one.
Crazy.
Push. It's just IDs changing. It's so stupid. Like reload that. Just reload the whole
Damn.
project.
Big reloader. If you were out of bullets, you would have bullets.
True. Alright, let's actually start your shit up.
I still don't know if the explosions are balanced or not. Like visually balanced.
Visually balanced. I don't know. Check out the intro though. Goes kind of hard.
Hell yeah, brother.
Check it out. Normal character, no cheats. What's my shop look like? Unupgraded shop. They said it could
Huge.
not be done. Debug levels, but I'm not gonna click on them. Let's go desert. Normal. I should have gone jungle actually, because it goes like much harder. Also, there's still shit to fix on this branch. I forgot about that. Another-
Dude straight up chose a melee weapon instead of any of the projectile weapons
I
that look
chose-
way better.
I
That's
chose random. I
crazy.
chose random.
That's crazy.
I didn't choose shit. Projectile weapons look better, you said?
Way better.
Boomerang projectile. Look at this shit. Pop. Tell me this shit is not more visually, I don't know, seeable. Look at all this shit. This is from my coder friend, Brandon.
That's crazy. I'm literally here.
Oh.
My coder friend. Holy, that's all I am to you.
My boy who loves coding.
I hate fucking coding. Don't ever make me code.
Pretty sick. You just have to figure out, I guess, different projectile types, right? Or not trail types per weapon,
Mhm.
right?
I think it's probably gonna be the same color though. I'm gonna be honest.
I think it's fine to keep it consistent, yeah. But just like make it work.
Also,
better
I don't
each
know
other.
why only some of the characters are highlighted blue.
I mean, there's still bugs on this branch. We still need to fix that, but
Hell yeah, brother.
doesn't oh yeah, explosions look really good, right? You get that?
They look okay.
They look insane. Look at this shit. When it lands. Look at this. Ooh, baby. Oh, I forgot that they're just lights now. Never mind. I like the one where it did the pattern. but like
I'm
was
trying.
also
I
lit up.
tried to. I'm like
Oh, you
I
can
was in the
kind of see
middle of
it. It's
fucking
tough.
around with it
Yeah,
because the pattern. I was like trying to get there, and then I got distracted by like 65 other things, and I was like, oh, whatever.
that's fair. You should perhaps make a to-do list or something.
Who says I'm to doing it? What the
I
hell?
don't know. You said you were you were the guy messing with it. I thought you were gonna like get back to it at some
I
point.
don't remember this.
I mean, this will probably be like next week's stuff, anyways.
Well, you straight up told me that this shit's not going in anytime soon, so I was like,
Yeah, it
I
won't
have
be.
time.
No, I mean, but we'll be working on it. It just won't be released for people.
Shit's not going in. Don't have to do it.
It's crazy, insane. Even it will be going in like I don't know, 2 to 3 months.
3 to 7 years.
No, soon even.
Game's too easy.
That's what a lot of people are saying. Many people are saying this game is so easy to beat. I wish this game was tougher.
In my opinion, on your first run, you should be already dead.
Every run's a win. That's what a lot of people are saying.
At 3 minutes in, you should already be dead.
You shouldn't even see a boss. Oh, but man, the lights, so nice.
Dude, big lights.
Haven't been able to show much of the getting hit effects because I'm too good, but you'll see it probably.
It's because you picked up a shield like an idiot.
I'm trying to live. I'm trying to make it to the boss.
Fair.
What am I supposed to do? Not fight the bosses? Did I like slightly tune today?
True. Did you tune all of them or just one?
Just the two. Just the two that we have feedback on.
The hell?
I mean, I guess no one said anything
Alien
about the
one?
other bosses. No, like the alien one scoffed. That's a different problem. But the lava one and the bird, the second bird.
Wait, the alien one is so easy to fix. Just make him back up every once in a while.
Okay, literally true. Oh, here you go. This guy slightly modified his lava to not hit you. Or not move you. Still hits you. Ooh, the boulder that has real physics. Except not really. I coded that shit to just fall off after a certain distance.
Fall off, like go down?
Yeah, like just stop moving in the direction you're currently doing and then apply like a bit of gravity. But like not
But
accurate
gravity in the Y direction only.
Mm-hmm. Gravity in the Y direction only. Yes.
I said why. Why is it gravity in the Y direction only?
What do you? Where else would gravity only acts on the Y
Gravity-
direction? Does it not?
Yeah, but the Y direction is into the well, I guess it's the Z direction, but like there shouldn't be even a Y direction like gravity. That doesn't make any sense.
Bro, gravity. Look, I'm talking about X, Y, like on a graph.
I'm telling you that it doesn't make sense because down is not down in a game where you're looking top down.
We're not looking top down. We're looking like it is kind of, but your character is the side view.
Brother,
What?
fuck are you saying to me?
My character is not top down. He is from the
Yes,
side.
but there's no foreground background. It's not like it's gonna land in front of me. It'll just hit me.
Alright, well, which direction would gravity go then in this case?
What? Nowhere.
You just wouldn't have it? I guess you
It
could
would
just
just,
not have it,
like,
sure.
It would just track until it stopped and then do the same thing. that the
Listen,
other
it
thing
has
did.
cool gameplay impact. That's the point.
Dude, make it just spin in circles the moment it doesn't know where to go.
Oh my god. I'm taking real damage now.
Nah. Oh, yeah, you are. Nice. He's done it. He's showed off the get hit animation screen flash. Oh, it's gone.
It's gone. I'm too good.
Are you too good? Or is it too easy to see everything now?
Could be the head even. Could be that it's just easy to see shit.
Dude just took so many bullets to the face and took no damage.
I'm
That's
taking
crazy.
damage currently. What shield do I have? Is it the invisibility one?
Oh, I was also
did.
gonna say we should make it so that like for your invincibility frames, you should actually like it should be a lot more visible that you have invincibility frames.
How would we make it more visible?
I don't know, blink your character, but like more vigorously.
No, I feel. I'll check. No, hold up. I think he does blink the littlest amount. He blinks
Cap.
0. He blinks 0 amount.
Cap.
You got me. I thought he blinked.
Cap.
Oh, maybe it's the stupid shield interacting with it. Like-
Yeah, the ethereal shield makes you blink.
All right. Okay, back to the real. What I didn't change shit.
The real branch.
Yeah, the real branch. Discard all that.
How did you change anything? What?
Nah, that's what I'm saying. I shouldn't have changed anything.
That's crazy.
Okay, next thing is like whip and explosives. So let's do.
What's happening?
The next thing that we're working on. We just reload this shit again.
Yeah, I don't understand what the.
Whips and explosives. You have access to the hacking plan, right?
Oh,
Pretty sure you do. As I'm certain
probably.
you do. You could check
Most
to see what I'm
likely.
working on currently, even.
It's a
if
good
you
to
want
fair chance.
You have the ability to see what I'm doing.
I
For
could.
sure, then. You could. Are you going to?
Oh, not.
Damn.
I can see it on your stream.
Okay, let's check out the whip spawner. The whip.
Oh, the fact that it just does a weird thing when it goes too fast.
Yes, exactly.
And the fact that it spawns only on one side and it rotates its like the spawn of it doesn't rotate around where the actual whip is.
Yes, very true. That logo adds a lot, huh?
It really do be.
We're no longer random Godot game.
Thank God.
Alright, so this is not the whip. What am I even doing, dog? All I had to do
I
was
have
choose
no idea
the
what you're
whip.
doing.
All I had to do was select the whip and then go into the level.
You
It
couldn't
should
even do that.
Okay, so it started like to the right. Oh, okay, it's already bugged. That's huge. That's good to know. Insanely producible bug.
Consistently bugged, like always.
That's huge. That's actually massive. It's just putting it in its parent spot. That's not correct. What's the shit called? Just
Yeah,
whip.
Guy's never coded in his life.
I hit too many buttons at once. Okay. This thing, when it spawns, hold on, what sets this thing's position? Is it just that? Takes the player's position, adds some value to it, and then rotates it by an angle. Yes, but that angle comes from what? This calculation. But does it have a starting value? Direction? Based on the direction of this thing? Does the direction get set? It does. Okay. Let's see if this value is always the same, which it might be. Shouldn't be though.
It is.
Give it a second, brother, before we start making conclusions.
I'm gonna be honest. All I heard is you saying it shouldn't be because I just like walked out of the room and came back.
That's great. This guy loves hating.
Dude,
Okay.
it's one of my favorite pastimes, bro.
I know it's so messed up. Okay. Is changing, but it's not.
Wait, everyone's playing Minecraft? What the fuck?
Wait, the goal position of this minus the players. The rotation is not what I care about, it's this position, I'm pretty sure. Direction rotated by the angle. It does eventually move. This is not moving.
It just moves really slow for some reason.
Mm-hmm. It's also only bugged some of the time. Right?
Oh, it's bugged all the time. What?
Okay, like hold up. It's spawning in the top left area of my shield, right?
No, it starts its spawn at the whip, and then it just instantly moves away for some reason. Well, now it's not doing it. I don't know what the fuck it's doing.
Okay, hold up. Let's maybe make this not do that. Okay. It's still consistently starting strong or wrong. If you take the direction of the whip, right? Actually, hold up. To this better, I could just do this. Oh wait, maybe it has to do with the animation player. Let me hold up. Hopefully it isn't, because that would be annoying. But let me see. Yeah, this is always starting in the wrong spot. Okay. It wasn't the animation player, that's fine. And its direction is changing, which it should be. The angle of the direction. Direction's already a normalized value, I think. Maybe. Are you working on anything, Brandon, or are you just watching me?
I am watching you and enjoying that it's about to start raining.
What do you mean enjoying? Doesn't that cause you actual pain?
Well, now it started raining.
Oh, nice. Hmm. This is not doing much, so I guess it's all just this that is messed up. Hmm. Okay, so that makes it spawn at the right spot. If I re-enable the rotation, it shouldn't matter. Shouldn't break anything. I think it's this is angle that's wrong then. It's not resetting or being set correctly. Yeah, okay, rotational's not, yeah, so it's just the position that's messed up. Because the angle's messed up. And to make the angle work, I think it's just the first turn that's messed up. I might just have some wrong shit with the signs. Like this follows fine, which is not disappearing, but spawning where it should. No, it's not. It's not always spawning where it should be.
It's crazy.
Okay, so that means that this doesn't always work. And I don't think end angle actually matters because it's just only used for checking things. Okay, it's used there, but what if I just do this instead? The duration, I guess, and then start dying. Then I wouldn't need end angle. Shouldn't need it.
Oh yeah, look at that logo.
Pretty nice. Okay, so it should start where it's supposed to. Okay, it's rotating backwards and then fading. But is it still starting always where... No, it starts on the whip. God, no, it doesn't. It does not always start on the whip. It looks like it does, but then it moves. Why does it move?
Right, espresso, you're gonna have to move.
So it's just that. Rotation's fine, don't care about that. It's just this position. Just be that. Direction is fine. Direction should be normalized already, but maybe it isn't.
Holy shit.
What?
There's some lightning literally beside my house.
Damn.
Scared the shit out of me, Espresso, Apollo, everyone. Espresso, it's okay. It's okay. Apollo down. Down.
Hmm.
Down. 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 Hey, Espresso. Ugh. Holy shit, that was so loud.
Man, friggin' vectors. If I make this exactly equal
I don't understand
to...
what's the difference between this one and the Earth Magic one?
Earth magic
Or
goes
like
all the way around you, right? Let me check, actually.
or like the sword. Like why is it so different?
Sword is also different because it's not... Like, just the way it attacks is different. I don't think Earth magic is anywhere similar. I mean, it's just because it is... I mean, it just uses this behavior, which actually I should just check what that does. It's part of projectile. It's like the exact same code.
That's crazy.
It's so messed up.
I fucking knew it.
The angle you just add, so 2 pi over the rotation time times delta. That's what I'm doing here though, right? Angle is 2 pi. Well, instead of, because I don't want you to go the full arc, I just want to go half of it. But it's still delta times that. The rotation time, yeah. Goal position is this player's goal position plus direction times circle distance rotated by that angle. Which, I mean, I had before though. And the rotation is just goal position minus global position of player, angle, apply over 2. Yes. I mean, the only difference is taking out that, I guess. I can bring that back because it already has that. But for here, the end angle is just tau. But in my case, I guess I could just use pi. Because I only want it to go half. And if I just set the starting angle to be that minus, where the direction is, minus 45 degrees. No, it is pi over 2. No, it's fine. Pi over 2 is 90 degrees. Right? Yeah, it should be.
I have no idea.
Pi is
Not a
180.
fucking
Pi over 2 has to be 90. You took so much calculus. What the hell?
Dude, I got like what was it? Like an 8 or no, 8 or 9 out of 30 on one of my calc exams and passed.
That's crazy. I would have dropped the class.
I
Never
passed.
seen
The
that.
passing grade was 6 out of 30.
Oh my god. This class is so cooked.
What a shitty ass class, dude. I fucking like the class average was 8 out of 30, I think.
That's horrible to hear. What the hell? what are your teachers doing, dog?
Brother, I only got profs that were tenured that did not give a singular fuck.
Damn.
In my first year of calc, my calc prof was like, "This is calc 3 stuff, but I'm gonna show you anyway." And I was like, "Why?" He started telling us how camels came from Australia, which I mean is like there are actually more camels in Australia than there are in the Middle East, but like still,
Does that mean they came from... Did they come from Australia?
I feel like they did. I don't know. And then he told us about like how on the side of roads in France they had like little signs that showed like somebody died here, like, and I was like, "Oh, that's crazy." And then we saw that in Edmonton, so I don't know, man.
True.
Maybe dude thought France was Edmonton. Who knows?
Maybe. Possibly. Player's goal position, direction, circle distance rotated. Well, no, shouldn't angle just be 0 then? I feel like this would always start it in the same spot. Unless I added a starting angle. Which I will. Rotated by the angle plus the starting angle. Okay. And starting angle doesn't change unless the direction changes. So now it should have similar to what... Like, not similar, like the exact same to what the earth magic does. Kind of. In a way.
What do you mean, kind of?
There are slight differences. It's not... It's supposed to go in less of an arc. But it should start... Does it go in less of an arc? Yeah, it does go only one half circle. But it doesn't...
Real question is why does the whip spin at all?
Richard wanted it to spin. To have an arc. But the arc is... Is it right? Is it where it's... No, it shouldn't be. Why would it be right? These should be both... Okay, hold on. Let me just see. If I always put it at 0, is it correct? Does it always come out at the same spot? So I guess I could do this right away, just to maybe not have it look shitty for a frame. Should always come out at the same spot. Kind of. Well, relative to the whip. I mean, it kind of works. I think it just needs to be less of an angle. Oh wait, maybe it's not supposed to use the directions angle at all. Maybe it should just be like a negative pi over 2 instead. Almost 5, huh? Damn, logo looks kind of crazy. With the the box around it goes kind of hard. It's starting. Yes. Okay. Just needs to rotate faster. I think. Yeah. Oh, and this shouldn't even be there anymore. This means it'll rotate by pi from where it started. If I make it 2 pi. What if I just do exactly what the other thing does? Okay. This should stay pi. This should... Maybe that's fine. Oh, Brand, this is the exact behavior we want. Look at this. If you're still here.
I'm still here, but what am I looking at?
This is what we want the whip to do. Start a bit behind the actual whip and then move ahead of it. And end on the other side of where you started.
It is?
Yeah, this is exactly what Richard wanted. Believe it or not, this is it.
That's wild.
Should it be a bit further from the player?
No? Maybe? No? I don't know. Is it the same as the... Well, it should have a different range than the Earth Magic for sure.
Let me get the earth magic. Wait a second, why is this shit not organized? Oh, did I just not? Oh, okay. Okay, side things. Let me do a side thing real quick. Let me go to... Wrong thing. And the weapons. Weapons are that. Yeah, okay, there. Forgot to sort the weapons. The whip and the earth magic. How do they look? Yeah, no, the earth magic is slightly further away. Okay. Good catch, even. Where's earth magic though? It is supposed to be... What? Where is circle distance? It's 100. Does anything modify it? Has it ever not been 100? No, it's always 100. Okay, so then this
Should
thing
be 200.
should be 200. I think it is dependent on something. Probably the size of the size of the
I
sprite.
have no idea. I heard again. I heard you say 100.
No, it's 100, but like I think it should be because like based on the size of the sprite, I'm pretty sure. So 100 for Earth Magic is fine, but then this thing's sprite is smaller, so the 100 would not be the same. Like it would look different. You know what I'm saying?
Nope.
Man. Yeah, 150 is too much. It should be like 125, I guess. $200 would be way too much. It's too easy to fumble the controls in the menus, dog.
What?
It's too easy to fumble the controls in the menus and go back in screens, you
If
know?
you're bad,
Yeah, I'm bad, but like the average person could be bad as well. That's what you gotta consider. I think it's better.
Nah.
Yeah, it's fine. Alright, they're both about the same. Good with that. Did I add any extra prints that I don't need? Yeah, I did. Some of these files have no changes. Shit is just annoying. And the whip, I just have to make sure it doesn't have any code that's not needed. Why is rotation equal to angle there, but then this calculation here? That line's the same. This line should be the same. Should be this line. That's the same, and rotation should just be this. Maybe update transform. Using the global angle kit. And then just put that down here. Should still work. feel like I might be going too far. Oh no, it's just the fade out animation. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Hmm. Okay, that's the whip done. There's a bug with tags on the pause screen showing all tags for a certain weapon. I think this is fire magic, right? That is bugged somehow.
We don't know if it's bugged. You just assumed it was only fire magic that did it.
Well, someone Richard said it was only fire magic.
What?
Yeah. At the show, Richard said fire magic
It only
shows.
happened with fire magic. But we didn't actually see it happen. Like, we didn't look at anything else. It just never happened again. It happened one time.
Hmm.
We can't even replicate it.
I
Very
know
bad.
it's really tough. I don't think it was it was before a boss even showed up. That's the normal stuff. Hmm. Maybe if you go magic stack, I think. Yeah, an extra debuff. Okay, what if I do that? Then it will. Does it always apply a second debuff? Is it always the same one? I guess it is. Yeah. Shouldn't be magic damage. Just does more damage when you have magic. Okay. What if I go unlock a bunch of this stuff? And go.
Dude, doing.
So maybe it's this. Maybe we did something during the show that caused it to happen, but we didn't realize we did it. Like, what if I go add this, right? Go back, play, hit up fire magic. It should happen with any magic, but fire, I don't know, I'm just checking with that. Nothing there.
Do you even know what the issue was?
I know what it could be, I haven't fixed it yet. I'm just trying to recreate it. So that one has madness now, right? So you see multiple effects here. If I end the cult and then run it back with magic, just fire magic again. No, it just shows the one. And we're assuming that the people had no other effects, right?
No.
Are we not? Okay, so like, could somebody have bought that upgrade? As in, like, probably me or Gary, whoever was buying upgrades, and then we just forgot that that computer had that upgrade because they had different amounts per computer, even. You know?
No. It had everything on it.
Had everything?
Like, the bug was that it had literally every symbol on it.
Like even the different ranges,
I don't remember.
or was it like?
It was everything that could be a hat, like, on it, I think.
I don't know. Like even this one will have a bunch. Like this has a ton, but it's not everyone. Right? It's just every magic type or every status effect type.
How?
Because that one perk makes it so that that one shop upgrade makes it so that it could get any perk or any status effect on it.
Wait, what?
You haven't
What's
had
the perk?
It's not a perk. It's just okay. So in the shop, magic weapons have a chance to inflict an additional status effect. So any status effect that exists, a magic weapon can get with a 50% chance.
Magic weapons have a change to inflict. That's
You listen. The
crazy.
freaking text is scuffed. We need to go over it. Oh my god, that's actually
To
huge.
inflict an additional status effect. That should never be shown.
Why shouldn't it?
Because it should be random. Like that shouldn't be like on the weapon. I think.
The tags just show you what abilities that weapon has done in the past. You know, like during
Yeah,
your
that's
run,
awful.
it has caused this.
That's really not it. You
Why
don't
is that
want
not it?
You-
Why would you not want that? Because like, what if you have an upgrade then that says like
So what you're saying is that if I haven't hit an enemy yet, it won't update.
no.
That's awful. That's legitimately awful. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
It should show what is possible to do, but it shouldn't do what you've already done.
This stuff's only
Like-
possible because. What do you mean it shouldn't show what you've already? Yeah, it only shows what you've done.
No, I'm saying it should not do that. It
Like
should
I'd have
show
to
what is
manually put in.
possible.
Here's the thing though. If it shows what should be possible, I have to manually do it for all the weapons. Whereas
What the fuck are you
if it,
talking about?
what the hell how would you do this? How do you think this shit shows up?
You just did it backwards. Just do it not backwards.
I'm not
What
doing
do
it
you
not,
mean?
but you do it not backwards. There's a bunch of bullshit like.
This is just like a thing that in a game is just wrong. Like it's just incorrect. Because if you want to look at a weapon and you want to see what it can do and you haven't hit anything yet, you're going to be fucking confused when it happens and all of a sudden you just have like you didn't change anything, you pause the game again and you have a billion different icons. Like where did this shit come from?
The weapon does that.
That's the dumbest shit I've ever heard.
Oh my god. Otherwise, okay, how would you do it then? If you do it the other way, sure, you can put burn on fire magic. What about these other ones? Just never show them or show them all the time? Because it could happen.
What show them all the time. If it can happen, it should be shown.
Mm. Is that the fix?
That's a really fucking strong thing, by the way. What the hell?
Yeah. The shop has some good stuff.
Also, it is all of those tooltips are assuming that it 100% of the time does inflict it. It's really weird.
Well, I can't really put any like percentages on these. I have to like change the data structure. It'd be annoying. Like actually a lot annoying.
Like this just shows you what is like the definition of the things that it can inflict.
Yeah. Just to help you as a player
confused
know
about the
that.
power up also. Like the power up has a 50% chance of inflicting something that isn't fire
In addition to
or
fire.
all stuff. Bro, I'm lost.
Bro, it's literally here. The magic weapons have a chance to inflict an additional status effect.
Mm-hmm. Can you say from something, like why something exists?
On this?
Maybe not in it, but like highlight it somehow. Like, is that possible? To show like what's a base effect and what's an additional effect. It doesn't have to specify exactly where it comes from. But like even upgrades. So like, you know how sometimes something can be like added fire damage or added explosives?
Yes.
Is like, could you highlight it somehow with like a border if it's an additional effect? and then also change it so that if it's something that can happen, it's
I'm
already
gonna show you
shown.
what the no, shut up. I'm just gonna show you what the tags look like. This is all they are. It's just like, I mean, this literally tells you like whether or not a tag exists on a weapon. So it's just a true or
Yeah.
false value.
I know. I'm talking about the UI, not the actual thing.
Well, I mean, the UI depends on the data stored. Like, if I store where the shit came from, sure, I guess.
Well, no, it's just any. Well, I guess, but like anything that's a default, it would have to be per weapon. But anything that's a default, maybe you could say anything that's a default is highlighted if it's easier, and then
Hmm.
anything extra is a different highlight or whatever. Then you just change the color of it afterwards. So in the beginning, when it's first instantiated, you just color them all, and then the ones after it you don't, or you change the color later. But that's a different thing altogether. That's just like a probably very nice to have, but the main thing is that it just needs to already exist before doing damage.
Do I even need this to exist? Okay, wait. So it's not a bug then. Instead, we should say weapons should show tags. Weapon tags should show what can be done, I guess. Right?
It should just show what's currently possible on the weapon.
Before doing damage. Okay, whatever, I'll adjust it. Just need to see if, yeah, it's bugged. Alright, so instead, can you just go through?
I mean, the other thing is are there any game breaking bugs that should take precedence over this right now?
Yeah, probably, but it's all in the bugs list. Like, we still have to do it all this week, so it doesn't really matter if we prioritize it on day one. If we're behind on Wednesday, then we'll prioritize it. How about that?
Sure.
Well, because we're planning on putting the demo like next Monday, anyways. I think.
Hmm.
So it's not like we are in a rush or anything, really. What the hell is a weapon tag? What? How does this shit treat enums? What is an enum, dog? Just need the number value. Okay, that's how you get the number. Okay. Okay, so it's fine. We can do it. The way to do it though is I have to go through each weapon and then just make its base tags that unless you have upgrades. The only upgrade that should let you get more status effects is the one I showed you, I'm pretty sure. That shouldn't be. Let me see. And then I just have to disable one thing. If I go to the shop, this is just damage. This is speed, shield capacity, level up options. Explosives have a chance to stun is another one. Right. To see how this is used. Yeah, if it's an explosive, then you can have stun. Okay, so that needs to also show up. Probably each weapon can just do that. This might be easier than I thought it was, I guess. I just need to manage or make sure that I update the tags. Is it not called weapon? Like, where's my base weapon, dog? Oh, there it is. Okay, this one. Tags dot update from attack. This should not exist. This thing shouldn't even do it. Instead, weapon upgraded, weapon upgraded. On passive change, on a weapon added. Well, actually, this is what this does, right? Or isn't apply stats already called? When you upgrade, yeah, it is. Okay. So in here, I should also be able to upgrade or update the tags, but when are tags updated? Is it tags? Oh, right here. Just do it manually. In the ready. Tags are equal to that. And then when you apply the stats, check tags, I guess. And the only ones we need to watch out for is if it has a stun. No, if it's an explosive. And this is greater than 0. Then status stun. Okay, so if it's an explosive and it has that thing, then do that. And if it is a magic, is add tag just a single? There's no add tags. No. It just sets it to true. Yep. Blade, burn, freeze, madness, poison, shatter, stun kit. That's all of them. Okay, so magic weapons should get that at the start, but each weapon by itself also needs some tag if it applies a status effect. Right? You still here?
What?
This guy do be here.
Where was I supposed to be?
I don't know, I'm just wondering.
This guy wants me out, bro. What the hell? Oh, dude, that logo though.
Dude, it's so dude, it's so quiet. Okay, so this should have all the tags because it should be able to do all the damage, right?
Nice.
That's probably what it was then, by the way.
It probably was, but okay, sure, it is confusing. So instead, what we should do is we can set. Yeah, you know what? Right, you're right. We can actually show what tags a weapon starts with versus ones from effects, but we can't narrow it down what effect like adds a tag.
That's fine. That's fine for now.
Our base. It's just called starting tags or something. Like I'll add the data for it, but we can implement it after we do the bug fixes. Let me see if there's a ticket for that.
Sounds good.
That would be a suggestion, I guess, right?
Probably.
Okay. Show what tags a weapon starts with versus what is added. Put it to the top of that though, because that shouldn't be difficult. What? And then did I add that shit? Oh, here. Starting tags is this, and it shouldn't be upgraded or updated. Okay. So yeah, that's all of that. And then if I go to an explosive weapon, it shouldn't have many tags yet. Okay, so the orbital cannon. Wait, also, do I? Okay, so I have no chance to stun, so the orbital cannon should not show stun yet. It should still show its regular tags though. Which it does. It's explosive, long range, single shot. Okay, and then if I go to the shop and add 1 point of stun.
Oh, Jaden's here for his opinion. That's crazy. That's
Huge. Yep.
super long time ago, but like
Show stun.
it's still valid.
'Kay.
The load up, the splash screen. Does it look like ass or does it look good?
I will get there in a second. Hold up. Let me just Okay. Splash screen. I'll just open it up by itself, right?
Just open up the game.
The game? I mean, it's like
Just open up the game. Just open up the game.
my
normally.
computer. It's ass. The delay.
Fine, it's fine. Just do it.
Here, check this out, Jaden. They do be kind of professional looking, for real. He likes it
Nice.
huge.
Is it like good though? That's the real question. Or is it just like it passes? You know what I mean?
Let's go. If I go back here, got the explode. Yeah, that worked. Okay. Just need to go through each weapon and make sure it has the right tags. It's cool. What else would you do? There's a lot we could do. I could rotate it. Do you think it would go hard with rotation or not?
With the rotation, it's not. You're not rotating that shit.
I want somebody's opinion who is not you. Not whether or not rotating the shit would go hard.
Dumbest shit I've ever heard in my life.
Might be the dumbest shit you've ever heard, but it could be pretty dumb for other people. It might not be the dumbest thing they've ever heard.
Dude, listen. Rotating it is about the same as what the fuck Gary said to do, okay?
No, I don't know what the hell Gary said to do. That's different.
Exactly. It makes no sense.
His ass did not say rotate that shit.
Show me a fucking logo that just spins around while it's loading. It's like, what the hell?
This guy's never heard of a. I'm not gonna say it actually.
I was gonna say what, a loading symbol?
It's called
fucking-
You know what they're not calling loading symbols?
Yeah, they're not called a loading. I don't know what the fuck they're called. They're not called a loading symbol. They're
called-
not called a logo either. They're not a studio logo either, are they?
They're called.
Is that what they're called, Interpret?
Brother, it's called a freaking throbber. Search it
Dude,
up.
I'm a throbber, dude.
Status burn. A weapon's behavior should be more influenced by its tags then, right? And I know you're gonna say, yeah, why is it not like that? Because I didn't want to do it the hard way. But here we are. It's actually, it makes more sense now to do it this way.
I'm just gonna pretend I didn't hear anything.
All right, fair, very fair, kind of in some ways. So I shouldn't need this apply fire boolean. Instead, I should just say if you don't have the tag for status burn, then return. Is throwing shouldn't even be a thing because it already has the throwing effect. How does swapping a tag work? Remove and add. Okay, perfect. So, if tag
No,
stop
less is more right now.
tag
Bet.
weapon,
That's what I like to hear. Thanks,
huge.
Jed.
Thanks for that. Throwing, then do that. Alright, you know what? Long run, this change seems to like it'll actually like simplify some things. I think that's still fine the way it is. This is still fine the way it is. I'm not gonna mess with that. The baseball can apply shatter, so it should actually just be a tag. It's probably the last thing I do today, and then go to do something else. Chill even.
Crazy.
Tags dot add tag. I'll beat Elden Ring at some point. Not for a bit though.
Nah.
What do you mean nah? You think I won't beat it now? Now that I've
Sounds
seen
good.
the ending.
Good.
You guys are playing Minecraft? Sick, I think. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Trying to go on Minecraft, Brent? Or nah?
Right now? I
Not
thought
right
you
now,
were
not right
chilling.
now. No, I'm just saying. In general. Quick Minecraft playthrough.
Playthrough?
Yeah. Apply Matt. What the hell's Super Madness, dog? And does Apply Madness happen first? It does. That's fine. Cannon doesn't. Cannon has bleed, right? Oh no, the cannonball itself does. Which is fine. Just the spawner I care about. Alright, here's an edge case, Brandon. The cannon itself doesn't apply bleed, but the cannonball does. Would you still add
What do you
bleed?
mean the cannonball does?
Oh, like so one of the variants of the cannonball puts a chain between the balls, right?
Yeah.
That chain can apply bleed. Should I still?
Yeah.
I should still say that the cannon itself does.
Yes.
Okay. Fair. Weapon.
I mean, it's an additional effect. It's not base effect, right?
Yeah. All right. Status poison. Apply poison. Apply shatter shouldn't be a thing either. Okay. And then for the actual, so if you're a variant B, this one should add bleed. And there's a shatter one, there's poison, that's where you check for shatter. Poison just gets added up here. Okay. It should stun different from having the debuff. Maybe. It's functionally the same though. Earth magic applies shatter by default, so that needs it over here. Shatter, yeah. Optional stun. Fire always does burn. So I need that here. The shock cone does, but that's just part of hammer. Hammer always does stun, or always can. Oh, wait. This one always does stun. So put stun there. Okay. The cone also just stuns, that's fine. Ice magic, that's the icicle. The spawner itself. Spawner itself is always freeze. And when you get hit, it does more freeze. That's fine. The kunai can do bleed sometimes. Oh, and then multicolor adds a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Multiplayer?
Multicolor.
Oh, I was like, dude, multiplayer games kind of go hard.
True. Just get the ones off weapon for this. Does everything but stun, I think.
Do boo ba doo doo doo.
Bleed. Bleed is separate anyway, so it doesn't bleed, but it does the other ones. Apply bleed's not a thing, so. If you have the bleed status, you'll do that. If you have multicolor, it'll be that, but multicolor adds all those tags anyways. 1, 2, 3. Right? Bleed, poison, burn, freeze, madness. Bleed. I don't need to add here because you get it from upgrading. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Poison, burn, freeze, madness. Poison, burn, freeze, madness. Doesn't do shatter either. Should be like this. Bleed, burn, freeze, madness, poison. Bleed, burn, freeze, madness, poison. Bleed, burn. Okay. That's it for this one. Pistol can do poison sometimes. On this upgrade, so. That's fine. Poison dart always does poison. Base tags, poison. Okay, and then also adds more poison, but that's it. Pyramid spawner always does madness. And it can do freeze if it should apply freeze, but we're not using that. Apply freeze, no tags dot add tag. Hmm. I see. Never mind. I do actually need both. Oh, it's gonna be annoying to fix. All right, whatever. I might stop now then.
Got him.
All right. I will see you tomorrow, I guess. Right?
I guess so.
All right. See ya.
Bye.
Thanks for everyone that watched. See y'all tomorrow.
You're welcome.
Yeah, as well as you again. All right. See ya.